Here's a great deal on a 2017 Ford F-150. All of the following features are included: a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, fully automatic headlights, and a split folding rear seat. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Call now to schedule a test drive.